In this video, I will show you how to use TikTok Analytics tool to better understand your audience and grow your account. First, launch open the TikTok app, log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Make sure that you have a creator or business account, as analytics are only available for these accounts. Now on your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Here, select the option of TikTok Studio. Now tap on the Analytics option. Here you can track important metrics such as video views, likes, comments, shares, and watch time. These metrics help you understand which videos are performing well. You can also see the audience demographic, traffic source, and search queries. These show you whether viewers found your videos through For You page, your profile, hashtag, or other sources. Use these insights to identify your best performing content, post when your audience is most active, and refine your caption, hashtag, and content style. If you need more detailed reports, you can also use third-party analytic platforms such as Pentos or Exolite. These tools provide additional insight, including competitor analysis, hashtag performance, and influencer tracking. To get the best result, review your analytics regularly, experiment with different types of content, and compare the performance of your videos over time. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.